y'all, what's up? It's T. Lachey, and today we are going to buy the kids fireworks. If you want to see how much we get and where we are, keep watching. Look at him, ready. Boom City. Thank you so much. In the basket. He the one want the fireworks. I told him the kids gonna be scared. He talking about what you say?
So yeah, a lot of Roman candles. That ain't too bad. Like it ain't no big explosion. They're gonna be so scared.
He's still the one that want them. I don't too much care because D and Ari, they don't really like loud noises. We gonna see how it play out. We gonna see. But he got these Roman candles for them for $3.97.
I seen that somebody was online.
Talk up so I won't get a copyright strike.
I don't know what these things are, but I seen it online.
Seen them online. Say he don't know what them things are. Look at that. Monster something. This black cat. I think you should get them the snap. My daddy got me the little pop snaps that you throw on the ground. The one that you can throw on the ground and it pop. So you just put it on the ground.
I see some more right here. Look to this bag and get. I'm trying to get a variety.
He said he want a variety of stuff.
This is a long one.
Oh, I like the fact that they playing music, but I don't like the fact that they playing music, child. Ugh. I hope I get some stuff. I hope I have some content with them playing music. I don't know. I'm trying to move away from the speaker. So, oh, there's another one. I don't know about this video, y'all. Okay, now that the music is off, I can talk to y'all a little bit before it come back on. Mario, he looking at the smoke bombs like that. Y'all remember, pick that little pineapple thing up. Y'all remember these? I used to have these when we was kids. It was the little powder form. Or am I just telling my age? But I remember them because I used to like them. Them smoke balls. They like got. I haven't been firework shopping in a minute. Not firefighter, firework. Oh, y'all can come on. Oh, okay. I thought that was in y'all way. Okay, the music is back. I have to go. I think the next part will be full of aesthetics because the music is on. See y'all in the car. Right. She look like she trying to get back to herself though. Child. Dolly need to help herself. Right. Let me see. 167. I ain't getting y'all. I'm a YouTuber. I'm just getting the stuff. Hey, vlog. Hey, vlog. All right. In my vlog.
I want to do YouTube so bad, but it's just the editing part.
Girl, listen. I'm finna tell you what to do. It is time consuming. But you ain't even got to, not that you don't have to be good at editing, but you have to, you know, work with what you got, basically. And there's some apps that'll help you with it.
That CapCut had me at first. Yeah. After I gave you.
Yeah, I use CapCut and InShot. They come around, see what their total be like.
Is this all for y'all?
It is.
Your payment cash card.
What's the total? Oh, it's not that bad.
So it's $245.
Yeah, that's not that bad.
That's to compare to what I said. People had over $1,000, $900.
And one thing back there was just $800.
And we got little kids. We got a 5 and a 2-year-old. So,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
That's how we still come
Right.
when it's low.
Uh-huh. So it's basically for him.
Do y'all want to see?
Yeah.
We're leaving now. Thank you. Walking out of Boom City. He got bags. One big bag, one small bag. He didn't do as much damage as I thought he was going to do.
No, just no.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. They did. But you going to take my picture over here by the thing so I can have one more thumbnail? I just need one more. Okay, y'all. So, I hope you enjoyed the vlog of us, or of Mario, buying the kids fireworks. You all be safe. Have a happy 4th of July. Be safe. Remember, don't let them babies pop them fireworks by themselves, and make sure they all the way from the doggone fireworks. Y'all move them children out the way before y'all start popping them fireworks, okay? All right then. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to It's T. Lachey on YouTube. Tell your mama, your daddy, your sister, your brother, your cousin, your auntie, your uncle to subscribe. Talk to y'all later. Bye.